Okay, again, July 21st? 20th. July 20th. Okay, Saturday, July 20th. A little dark. I'm going to have to open the windows, get some light in here. Alrighty. No one's working today, which is fine. I know George is ill, and I was here Thursday, and there was a man doing some taping and mudding. It was very nice. He only spoke Romanian, and I didn't think to be putting things on my Google Translate, but so we just kind of smiled, and I did hand motions to him about what I was asking, which was, could he please lock up when he left, and he said, he nodded that yes, he would. I like it when this old brick is exposed, but anyway. But that will all look like this. And again, here's that, not false wall, but new wall that they built between the old one and this one. So there's going to be airspace. Once the fasciata is done, it should be wrapped up and dry. There shouldn't be problems. I'm not crazy about these doors being open, but I understand the mudding. This stuff needs to dry right here. This needs to dry, so I get it. And really, what's anybody going to steal right now? Not much. Okay, I'm just going to open up these windows so number one, I can see my pretty view. And number two, oh man, really, is that hard? There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay. There's that. A little more light in here. Yeah, my exposed beams. I've got a mirror in mind for that wall. I purchased the two sconces. They call them applique here in Italy, so I guess I borrowed some French word. So this is a nice light room. It's amazing views coming from the neighbors. And shoot, I forget the name. Oleander, right there. Okay. So George would like to paint this white, but I think I kind of like the contrast. I'll leave it brown for now. I can always paint it in the future if I want. And I'm hoping that the table that was in the kitchen, which is narrow and long, can go right here under the mirror that I have planned for that wall. And then when I have people for dinner, I can expand it and move the sofa forward and put it in here, because I'm just going to have a drop leaf table in the kitchen. Okay, this will be my bedroom. It has a little sea view, not as much as the living room, but it's nice. It's a pretty view. And the little closet, they're going to put some special, not paper, antifungal in there, in that little closet. When the terrazzo is redone and the water does not flow toward the house, the rain runoff, it should be fine. Again, that'll be done when the fasciata is done in the spring. This is interesting. This is their insulation, which looks like our old rock wool insulation in America. I've asked the geometer what that is. I haven't heard back from him yet, like what it's made of. Okay, so here's another little view of the living room. Okay, so 2 windows. That's the electric meter that needs to go outside. This wall can't be finished until that's moved. And supposedly that's happening Monday, fingers crossed. This is the second bedroom. I'm going to put a sofa bed in here. And I need to close that window better. nice and private. I'm not going to go out in the terrazzo today, but I do love that space, and I can picture it with all kinds of lovely flowers and plants. So here, sofa bed, and the painting I bought, the Angele di Firenze. I've got a mirror in mind for this wall to reflect the light from outdoors. And I think I'll have to put a little armadio over here because there's no closet space to speak of in this house. So, okay, I guess I've been through almost all the rooms. I don't want to step on all this tubing to check out the bathroom. And the entry from the little corridoio or hallway off the living room. I love that John Franco, the not architect, but geometer, said, we can, change the doorway, which was just like this, and make it an arch, and it'll give you the appearance of more space, and it really is pretty. So I'm glad we did that. Okay, so buona giornata from Italy, and I'll try and do another video in another week. Hopefully we'll have a little progress, and George will be fine, and things will get back on track. Ciao, ciao.